Are you looking to stay ahead of the game and create unbeatable marketing content in no time at all? If you do, you reach the right place. Welcome to my series on the secrets to creating amazing marketing content using Chat GPT. In this series, I'm sharing with you tips and hacks on how to make the most of Chat GPT and leverage on the power of AI to create an unbeatable marketing content in no time at all. But before we start, I want to welcome you to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Ortal Green. I help entrepreneurs and business owners create products their audience wants to buy. And before I get to tip number 5, I want to tell you that I prepared a guide for you with 3 pro hacks to unbeatable marketing. I placed the link in the description below so you can download it now and start creating amazing marketing content straight away. So now I'm going to share my screen and share with you tip number 5. If you don't have already a ChatGPT account, it's easy to create one and it's free. All you need to do is go to chat.openai.com and create one for you. I'll place the link to ChatGPT in the description below so you can grab it from there. So once you have an account and log in, this is the screen you're going to see. And the bar at the bottom where it says send a message is where you write your instruction to ChatGPT. So today I'm going to show you how you can create a story to convey a message to your audience. As you're probably well aware, storytelling is a very powerful way to share with your audience the value that you bring to them. And especially if you create a story where there is a character who is the hero, who is going through transformation. And this is the transformation that actually you take your audience. So that story shows where the hero starts, when they have a struggle, some difficulty, and then through being engaged with you and your services, that hero is going through a transformation until it succeeds and reach to the other end where the hero is fully transformed, overcame the challenges, and now enjoys their life. So let's say you have a service where you help people with public speaking. As you probably know, many people are terrified from public speaking and can benefit from such a course or a service. And so what you need to write to ChatGPT is as followed. So you write a short story about a character who overcomes their fear of public speaking. And if you provide another service, then think about what's the problem that you're solving and then write it instead of overcome their fear of public speaking, overcoming whatever challenge your audience is facing, whatever problem you help them solve. Now you continue and say, give examples of how the character practiced and eventually succeeded. So the character needs to go through a journey, right? It needs to go through a learning curve, some experiences, some challenges, until it comes at the other end when they're all transformed and overcame their challenge. And then you continue with, end it with a call to action to register for my public speaking course. And this is where you change the call to action based on your services and what you want your audience to do. And now let's just click enter and see the magic happens. Let's see what ChatGPT is going to come up with. So as you can see, very quickly, ChatGPT start to write the response, start to tell the story, and it starts like a lovely fairy tale. Once upon a time, there was a young man named Jake. Jake had always been an introverted person and had a fear of public speaking. Okay, I can't continue to read now because it's writing very quickly. Let's just wait for ChatGPT to finish. Fantastic, and then I'll go back up. Okay, so whenever he had to give a presentation or speak in front of a group of people, his heart would start racing. His palms would become sweaty and he would stumble over his words. So you see how beautifully ChatGPT is writing the story. You can imagine Jake, you can imagine his response and his fear from public speaking. One day, Jake realized that his fear of public speaking was holding him back in his career. He decided to take action and conquer his fear. He started practicing speaking in front of the mirror and recording himself to watch later. He also joined a public speaking club and started giving speeches in front of a small group of people. So here is where you need to read the story and tweak it and change it so it will suit your services. because you want to mention that the hero in the story, he actually joined your course or the service you provide. So you can mention the name of the course that you provide into your audience, or whatever it might be, the name of the service you provide them, to help overcome their challenge and come at the other end all transformed. At first, Jake was nervous and struggled to speak clearly, but he kept practicing. He watched videos of great speakers and tried to learn from them. He also started to focus on his breathing and posture to calm his nerves. And again, here you can tweak and change it to the experience the hero is going through with your service, instead of something generic like watching videos of great speakers. After a few months of consistent practice, Jake felt more confident and comfortable speaking in front of others. He even volunteered to give a presentation at work, which was a huge success. His colleagues were impressed with his presentation, and Jake felt proud of himself for overcoming his fear. Now, Jake is no longer afraid of public speaking and enjoys sharing his ideas with others. He even helps others who are struggling with public speaking by sharing his experience and giving tips. So that's a lovely ending to the story. And now Jake is all transformed and overcame his fear of public speaking. And this is now we reach the call to action that you want to have at the end of your story. If you like Jake and want to conquer your fear of public speaking, I encourage you to register for my public speaking course. I'll provide you with the tools and techniques you need to become a confident and successful speaker. Don't let fear hold you back any longer. Register today and start your journey towards becoming a great speaker. So this is where you add the link to where people can register for your services. Or if you want to add additional information regarding your services, feel free to adjust the call to action to suit what's best for you. So this was tip number 5. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you join me for the rest of the tips in the series. If you haven't done so already, you can download my guide, 3 Pro Hacks for Unbeatable Marketing. I put a link in the description below so you can download it and start using these hacks straight away to generate wonderful marketing content. So until the next time, stay focused and never give up on your dreams.